Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with the OontZ Angle 3 Bluetooth speaker. Now this is one of the best speakers I've ever heard, especially for its compact size. Now this is a 10-watt speaker, so it could get really loud. But most importantly, you won't find that distortion you'll usually hear when you crank it up. Meaning you'll get those deep basses for booming party music and those crisp vocals when listening to audiobooks and podcasts. Now the most important feature on any modern speaker is true wireless capabilities. That means you can sync up two speakers at once. This allows you to expand your music to multiple rooms of the house, and it's great for parties. Now this also has a premium feature where you can split the left and right audio tracks, giving you true stereo sound. Imagine listening to your favorite bands as the artist intended, like the Beatles. Now this has all the important features you've come to expect, like quick access media keys, including play pause, skip track, volume control, and it has a microphone so you can use hands-free calling. And this is water resistant and splash proof so you can listen to your favorite music by the pool. And you're gonna love the impressive 14-hour battery life. So how do we have such a low price for such a high-end speaker? Well, these were sold to us as recertified, meaning they were returned back to the factory, tested for quality control, and put back into a box. Now we did our own investigations into a full case pack of these, and we found everything to be working pristinely. The only thing is, it might be missing an instruction manual, which you could find on the site. Now this is a super popular speaker. The listing on Amazon has over 191,000 reviews, and most of which have a 5-star rating. And the manufacturer is selling these on the official website for over $30 a piece. But with us, you won't be spending anywhere near that. So head on over to the site, and if you want to take advantage of the true wireless features, you're gonna want to grab a couple of these. So grab yours today before they're all sold out.